Hi, I'm Danny from Rentabike Vietnam. Now, the Honda XR150 is already a really flexible, durable bike that's excellent for Vietnam. But what if I told you you could make it better with 7 simple upgrades? These changes can step up your ride, make it much more smoother and much more fun. So right now, I'll show you 7 great upgrades that can really improve your Honda XR150. So the first of these mods is the phone holder. We give you this phone holder so that obviously you can put your phone in there and it helps you to navigate using Google when you're driving. Also, we have this phone charger which you can then charge your phone while you're driving. If you want, you can also use this to charge other batteries, say for your GoPro, something like that. One of the other upgrades is these knobbly tyres. Most of our riders want to get on the dirt and get into the off-road. So therefore, you need a good, solid, chunky tyre to handle the mud and clay. Also, most of our riders are going to be traveling long distances, so they need to carry some gear with them. The standard rack is a little bit small, so we extend it with this extended rack here. And of course, we give you as many of these bungees as you like to strap your gear on securely. We also find a lot of our riders are quite tall, and so therefore we use these handlebar risers. This will then raise up the arms when you're in the sitting position, and if you get up on the pegs, you're not so bent over. So this can help with reducing fatigue, tiredness, and improve concentration. We also, on the handlebars, put a handlebar brace, and this stops a lot of vibration coming through the handlebars. It's also really handy to put on one of these GoPro or one of these mounts so that you can fix a GoPro or an Insta360, something like that on there. Another problem we found with the bike is that because the rear suspension is a little soft, you're going to bottom out a bit, and with the longer mud flap, it could get caught in the wheel, could even flip back. You might even lose a number plate. So we've shortened that back mud flap to stop that problem happening. Those are 7 simple upgrades that can make your Honda XR150 more practical than ever before. Which upgrade impressed you the most? Or is there a mod that we didn't talk about? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and press the notification bell so you get updates of our future content. Now, this is the brand new 2025 XR150, and I have a video on the 4 important updates that Honda made for this model. You can see that in the description below. That's all for now. Until the next video, enjoy the ride.